Hi everyone, welcome to Good Kamkaj YouTube channel. I hope everybody are doing good. Today's video will be discussing about concept called as Vault Server Dev Mode. So stay tuned till this video, and if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. And let's discuss about Vault Server Dev Mode, what it is. First, let's discuss about Vault Server and later we jump into the Dev Mode. So Vault Server is used to securely managing the secrets such as APIs, passwords, or certificates, anything, so you can use to store it and you can retrieve it. And now let's example whenever you are running a Vault server in a dev mode, in a dev command, it means you have started the entire Vault server in the dev mode. So that's the explicitly you have mentioned hyphen there. That means you run the Vault server in a light and temporary mode. So to run this mode, you does not require any configuration on your machine. You can start the Vault server quickly within a memory temporary storage, and within a fraction of second you can start it, you can use. So whenever you run the dev mode, you automatically unseal the vault itself, and it will give a root immediately within a full access. So let's see this command prompt. So here I have ran Vault Server Dev mode. So this one Vault Server Dev mode. Now it has given the basic information, and if you come down, it is unsealed, and it doesn't require unseal to your vault, but it is given unseal key as a one. But it will directly give a root token. And if I go and access this IP address with a port number, here I having accessing. So it is not asking any unsealed keys, enter one or two or three keys out of five or something. Directly it asking for authentication. So I will take advantage of this root token and I'll copy it, I'll come here, I'll paste it, I'll press enter. Now within a fraction of a second, I have logged into my vault. So whatever configuration I'm doing, like creating a key value pairs in a secret, so it will be in temporary mode, which means if I restart my Vault server in a dev mode, all the data will be lost. So that's the biggest advantage. So I hope it is clear for everyone. Like what is the usage of Vault dev mode, where you can quickly start it in memory and with a temporary storage. And now, let's discuss about what and where you can use this Vault server hyphen dev mode. So first thing, you can use Vault Server Dev mode for learning purpose and experimenting and testing, or any like a simple application development, like if you'd like to use in your local machine. That case only this Vault Server Dev mode can be used. And now let's discuss about disadvantages by running this Vault Server Dev mode. First one is data loss, and second one is insecure. Let's discuss about the data loss. So whenever data is stored in your memory, like data in something, like it can be your key value pair, or it can be certificates, it can be your reason and password, it can be your API keys or something. So whenever data is stored in your memory, which means your vault memory, it will be wiped out. It would be completely wiped out whenever a vault server stop or restarts. So that's the biggest disadvantage of vault server, which is the data loss. And the second one is insecure, which means like it will automatically unseal the vault. It's the biggest disadvantage itself. And I mean, there is no security required, like there is no any multi-factor authentication kind of thing required to access your vault. So a root token is displayed and configured into your system. So if anyone have compromised your laptop or desktop or any virtual machine, so it can they can easily access those root token. They can easily log in into your vault machine, and they can easily steal all your credentials like database, certificates, anything. So that's the biggest disadvantage of running your vault server into the demo. So that's why if you're playing around with the vault, you can use it for learning purpose, and doing some experiments and testing you can use. But this is not 100% recommended for your production mode. And you can ask me, hey, what is the procedure to access it and use it in production? That thing we'll discuss in the next part on next video. So I hope it is clear for everybody, like what is the usage of Vault server in the dev mode, and if you would like to play around it, you can use it. There is no restrictions, But if you are concerning more about security, you are using Vault in production, I highly recommend you to not use Vault server in dev mode. That's all for the lecture. And if you like my explanation, I request you to subscribe and share to your friends and family members. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.